Hi, and welcome to DH Squared. Today, I want to show you a little bit about the new hearing test that you can do with your Apple AirPods. So before we get started, I want to explain a little bit to you about what the requirements are for this. So you're going to need to have iOS 18.1 on your iPhone, and you're going to have AirPods Pro Gen 2. This does not work on the first gen AirPods Pro. In addition to that, you are going to need the firmware to be updated to 7B19 on your AirPods. So as long as you meet those requirements, you will be able to do the hearing test. Now this is a pro level medical grade hearing test that these are able to do, and it's going to take somewhere around 7 to 10 minutes to do this test. And once the test is complete, it's going to show you what the results are, and if the results decide that you have hearing loss, you are then going to be able to use the AirPods to help assist in your hearing. Unfortunately for me, I did not have hearing loss, so therefore I was not able to test out the hearing aid capability of the AirPods, because it doesn't allow me to do that with the hearing that the results of the hearing test. But if you do have significant hearing loss, it will basically unlock those hearing aid features in the AirPods Pro Gen 2. In order to do a hearing test, open your AirPods case and tap on your AirPods in Settings. Then you can tap on the Take a Hearing Test. Then click Get Started. And then answer the questions that are provided in order to get the most accurate results. Tap Next. Then you can put your AirPods in your ears. Once you do that, it's going to give you some directions on, and it's going to check to see if the noise levels are okay in the room that you're doing the test. Now, here it's obviously telling you to make sure you have them in the right ears, that they're fitting properly in your ears, because it will be doing a sound test. So it's going to check the background noise, and it's going to see if the AirPods are sealed properly in your ears. Once everything is okay, click Next. If not, you have to make some necessary adjustments. This is telling you that the Do Not Disturb will be on during the test, and this is explaining what you'll be hearing during the test. It's just a series of beeps that once you hear them, you tap on the screen. And it's going to be beeps at all different frequencies. So it's testing your entire frequency range to see where your hearing is at the different frequencies. So now you simply tap on the screen. You can see that it kind of flashes when you tap on the button. So anytime you hear the tone, you tap on the screen. So that's how it's detecting the frequency you're hearing and the volume that you're hearing. And through this entire process, it will determine how your hearing is. Once you do the left ear, you will then repeat this process with the right ear. Now, once your hearing test is complete, you can see the results of your hearing test in the My Health app. And you can scroll down to where it shows your hearing test results. You can tap on that, and you can see what your results were. If you click on the eye, you can see where that falls as far as compared to the standards, what type of hearing loss you may or may not have. And you can also go down and see your past results. I ran this test 2 times. The earlier test I did have a little bit of noise in the room, and I feel like that's why my result was a little bit worse. I wasn't able to hear it quite as good, so it's important that you do this test in a nice quiet room and get the proper results. And then you can also go in and export the PDF. So you can save this off as a PDF and send it to your healthcare provider or whatever you might need, or just save it for your records. So that is basically the new hearing test app or hearing test utility that is in the new AirPods Pro Gen 2 with the latest iOS 18.1. So I hope this video helped you understand better as to what this does and how it works. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and somebody will be happy to try to answer those. But I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.